a massive idiot?
Yes, I am.
Go on then.
121.6.
Yeah.
The convertible.
Yeah.
122.3.
Oh,
Look at that.
You got away with that by the skin of your teeth.
Look how similar they are.
Now, before we do the news, I'd just like to conduct a quick loyalty test. As I'm sure you know, last week there was some sort of football match on at the same time as us, so I just wondered, who watched Top Gear last week? Hands up. If you
I did. Yeah, I did. It was great. Jeremy, you?
I couldn't watch it.
Well, I'll be honest, I found the bit with the wedding pretty cringeworthy, but I struggled on and made it.
No, I couldn't watch it because I was in Johannesburg.
Watching the final.
Yes, I did.
Oh, great. So the 1 week when we wanted to call in a bit of loyalty, and you decided instead to go to South Africa and watch a Dutchman kick a Spaniard in the heart.
Yes, I did. But
Thank
I
you so much
have
for your
brought
support.
one of these back.
Oh, God. Oh, great. 2 long, noisy things. That's just one with another.
One long noisy thing. They don't work.
Well-
They don't. Look.
What was all the fuss about then? Look, they were terrifyingly loud. That's
Well, I mean, I
pitiful.
might have drunk some tequila through it, I admit, after the match, but it doesn't work. You won't be. You've got a degree.
I'll go. If you play a solo, I'll kick you. That wouldn't disturb a game of chess, let alone a football match. It doesn't work. Why is it orange, anyway?
Why is it? Oh, I was supporting the Dutch.
Why were you supporting the Dutch?
Because the Dutch watch Top Gear and the Spanish don't. As simple as that.
And you don't watch Top Gear in your house either, do you?
Yes,
Apparently. Thanks for that.
Yes. Can we do the news? Okay, a university in Virginia, which is in America,